Ah, what a wonderful day. Check out these cute dolls having fun on the playground. Oops, and this doll is not in the mood for playing.
It's like she hasn't slept in a week.
Hey, come back. Oh.
Okay, don't panic. The style ambulance is here. Where's the patient? I'm gonna help. Susie, I forgot my stylish first aid kit. Let's go.
What? But we don't have such a kit.
Well, we're getting one. Keep up. Susie, I brought you a brush. What's going on here?
Friends, I have a cool idea. Are you ready? Today we're going to draw on a tablet, like real designers.
Holy cannoli, give us a thumbs up. Hurry up.
Think through what will be depicted on your beauty case.
My picture? What kind of question is that? Go ahead.
I want to appear on the cover too. I have another suggestion. I'll draw it and you'll check the results.
Well, that doesn't sound bad at all. Come on, give it to me.
Hey, where are you going?
Hang on a second, just a bit more.
Sammy, give it back. Oh, what's this?
Press it and then you'll see some magic.
All right. Ah, what's happening? Ah!
Now catch! Ha-ha!
Ouch, I'm trying.
You're not trying hard enough, Susie.
Oh, Sammy, should we expect any more surprises today?
Absolutely. Your humble designer has prepared this. Everything you need for a stylish aid.
And TB Daba, they know all about beauty products. Let's make them real. Wow, that's better.
Why are you idling around? Let's get to it. So, are we all set? Then go ahead and give first aid. Come here.
Wait, we still need to make beauty products. That's why we moved to the lab. Let's start with the eyelashes. We've got an empty case here. Shall we try to lure them in with 5D mascara? And whoosh! Aha! We did it! What luck! We have beautiful eyelashes all over the place. Our beauty salon has special sets for any taste now.
Susie, look! I found a mask for Halloween.
Sammy, it's a face mask.
Is this gonna make me look even prettier?
We're gonna try this mask on our doll. I think she'll love it. Whoop. And now let's make the ingredients for the next product. Now we just need a sprig of aloe vera. Apply some aloe juice. And it is good for moisturizing and refreshing, you know? These patches are great for a tired doll's eyes. Here we go.
All the colors are so pretty, so hard to choose.
Let's see. The marker didn't do a very good job. We'll make some cool makeup from scratch. Look what a beautiful color we have. Now let's glue these together. And cut it out. Check this out. It's so cute. It'll be a surprise for our doll. Yay! We're slowly starting to fill our case with stylish aid.
And I'm gonna experiment with more hairstyles. Have you ever brushed? Stay tuned! Hey! Help us out! We need a style ambulance too! So do we! Hey, watch out! Come on, toys! This is actually a lab.
You all need a good shower. Well, who's first?
Oh no! Stop it! Stop!
Phew, that's better. But we do need some cleansing stuff for the kit.
Let's start with an easy one. Here, take this tissue.
Oh, thank you. Do you want to make a hygiene kit together? We got wet wipes. Okay, one last thing. Let's put on the lid real tight so they don't dry out.
Susan, we need to make an essence too. Here is the main ingredient.
But what's this?
My invention, slimy.
Oh, no, take it.
I was just kidding, Susie. You're so easy to fool.
Let's mix some vitamin C and ginger extract. And add some scented petals. Now the magic shake. Whoosh! And we've got a revitalizing essence.
Susie, what do you mix to get a face cream?
It's all ready now, Sammy. Look. I used the best secret ingredients. Hurry up and close it before the cream leaks out. Check this out. So many skincare products. Let's put them all in our portable beauty salon.
Come on, I only need one tiny drop.
Sammy, you just need a paper spoon. Try it.
Here we go. Whoa, I got it.
Let's try this lip balm on one of our dolls. Now your lips will be soft and moisturized. Let's put it all away in our super beauty case. Wow, great. There are still a few empty sections. Let's fill them too. Someone hid everything from me. Aha! Here's our first catch. Where are the lipsticks? Aha! I'll make you another one. And you already have beautiful eyelashes. Where's the mascara?
There's the mascara. Oh no!
Ah, here it is. Mascara and everything will be kept in a safe place. There's one more section left. It's empty so far. Let's fill it with glitter and some face jewels. Are you ready? Bam, bam, bam. Here we have the little rhinestones. Look at how they shimmer. And this is the right place for some nice hair clips. And eyeshadows of every color imaginable. Ha!
Susie, did you forget all these? Really?
Oh, that's right. How now?
Try again.
Phew, our stylish aid kit is ready.
Hey, where's the pigeon? I'm gonna find her. Stay tuned.
Here she comes. Ready for a makeover? Then let's get started. First, we need to prepare your skin. Make sure it's clean and looks fresh. Check this out. Your face is glowing. Now let's apply some moisturizer. Up. This will be enough. We're going to apply it all over your face. That's better. Your lips need some moisturizing too. Great. Let's start the makeup routine. Use a special cosmetic sponge. Gently apply the foundation. Oops, a little bit left. Now that's good. We're getting to my favorite part, eye makeup. Check out all this stuff, friends. Oh, wow. I can't get enough of it. Shall we begin? Let's take pink. It works for everyone.
Can't argue with that. Give us a thumbs up.
Apply with the brush, and voila! It turned out so cool. Apply the eyeshadow on the other eye. Oops, something's wrong. Let's wash it off before anyone sees it. Don't tell anyone. Phew, I'm saved. And now we get to pick fake eyelashes. She seems to like these more. Then we should try them on. Wow, awesome. The mascara wouldn't hurt anyway. What kind of lipstick to choose? Not easy. Then we'll try them all, one at a time. Get ready. What do you think of the sunburst color? Or some mystic night? Let's try more. And here's the color of choice. You don't need to cover your hair anymore. We'll just add a few accessories. Well, the first stylish help is over. Woohoo!
Woohoo! Ah, our doll sure loves it. Just look at her.
How do you think the toys will react? Let's see. Hey, hello again, everyone.
Cool makeup. What a hairdo. Who's your stylist?
Sammy, I think we've done our job well.
Have you helped your dolls with their makeovers yet? They're waiting.
If you enjoyed today's makeover,
And our amazing fitting box.
give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.